Hello guys, how are you doing? It's your boy Dave Partner. Let us say you found yourself in a grain situation where you need to convert JSON schema into SQL and possibly into your PHP or MySQL table and fields. Here is what to do. It's simple. Just visit sqlizer.io. That is sqlizer.io. It will bring you to this page, and this page simply asks you to upload your SQL file. Okay, so you select the SQL file or the schema, no, not SQL now, but the JSON file. So in my own case, I just selected the links JSON file, which I already had. But in case you're wondering how I got to this point that I needed to use this, it's from my Laravel code. If you don't know what Laravel is, it's fine, don't worry. But I just wanted to show you what it looked like. So when I was building my Laravel app, it generated a schema for me. Look at this, resources model, and these are the schema, but this is the one that failed. So when I ran PHP my admin, I ran PHP artisan migrates. It did not migrate this table, and since it generated the schema, all I did was I copied the schema. So this schema is in JSON. So you could have your own JSON schema from anywhere. So you just copy it, or just copy it and create a file for it. In my own case, I just copied the link to this file. So I just right click here. This is VS Code and copy path. If you're not using Laravel, it's perfectly fine. So now I can go back to this, click on select file, and locate that file in my system. To locate it, the path I copied helps, so I just paste the path I copied, paste, and of course remove the last option. Okay, so hit enter. It shows me the folder. This is the folder. This is the file I'm looking for. So I'll double click on it. It is selected now. Now it's asking me what type of file do you have your data in. I just told you that it's in JSON, which is JavaScript object notation. Now if you had it in XML, CSV, and so on, you can still do that, convert to MySQL. So it's asking me which database do you use. I use a MySQL, which is PHP my admin, but also you can have all these other ones, Postgre and so on. So it is asking me to check whether it's going to write SQL code that checks if the table exists first. Yeah, it can. Now look at this, it's trying to guess the name of the table from the file. The name of the file is what? Link. So it's trying to guess a name of the table. But this is what I want my table to be, links. So I edited it. Then I click convert file. Within a few seconds, all done, you see. Now I can even download it as an SQL file, as you can see here. And I can copy it, which is what I did. I simply copied it, Ctrl A, copy, and went to my PHP my admin. Alright, this is PHP my admin. I selected the table I want, the database I wanted on the left. After selecting it, you have to click the database, and then you click on MySQL. Delete what is here. I'll press Ctrl A. Select all. It's not here, so Ctrl A on my keyboard, backspace to delete, then right click and paste what I got there. So right click, paste. So this is the SQL schema I got. So if I run it now, it's gonna show successful. So go to the right click, go, and then it's gonna show successful. That's how you take a JSON file and turn it into SQL and insert it into your database. I don't want to click this now because I've already done it. So even if I click it now, it's going to show error. Okay. So thank you very much, and see you. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share. Let me know if you have any further problems in the comment section.